So we're parked out here, this wonderful winery, and fuck, I'm not gonna be able to make the show. Fucking tire debeated, alignment's off from drifting, and I don't have a spare tire for this car, and I don't have any tools to take it off. My cousin's gonna come over here and try to air it back up. He's gonna bring the tools from his shop. If not, I do got AAA coming. I'm gonna have to take off the front bumper. Going to have to lift the car all the way up and put it on a flatbed. But yeah, so scrape a little bit on the wheels. Fuck. So what you got right here, pulling in. So I take the back roads home, stay away from the cops. And this is where it's scraped. The big old line, you can see it. Try to bring it back in. So we are not making it to the show. Gonna have to get this tire situated, then take the shop to Autosport, get the alignment done. So that's the only way this is gonna happen. So 240 is down, no show tomorrow. I am really bummed out. So drink some Gatorade because I'm getting cotton mouth. So keep you guys updated when we figure out what the hell's going on here. Out here with Esteban. So me and him got stranded. So how do you feel about it, Esteban?
Disappointed in the car.
Fuck. So it's okay. We still love you. You're still the baby. But yeah, so bad news. Shit happens. All right, so JR came through and Danny. So Danny let me use his AAA tow. So thank you to Danny. Y'all got to see his dog. The dog yet.
I'll be famous.
Hey, dog.
What up, dog?
Hey, buddy. You need to come play with our dogs, huh? Have to go play at the park?
Yeah. It's not 100 degrees calm.
I know. So it's, I don't know, hopefully it's recording. I don't know, it's hella hot out here. Phone keeps overheating. Jared tried to put the air in, but it's super deheated. So you can see it off. So it's completely off. So got the bumper off. Gonna have it set for the tow truck driver to put it on without damaging the bumper. So we'll go ahead and get this to the house. Gotta take the wheel off. I'll put a Jackson on the Street Factions dash bar, and we'll be good to go. And then we should be get this situated. So we'll see you guys at the house. Keep everything updated. Bumper is inside. We're gonna get it towed now. So he's gonna move. If you guys remembered, I used Danny's QX56 to pick up the 240 from Eliminate. So we're gonna have the tow truck guy come in and we're gonna put this on the ramp. So please don't. Oh yeah, those are just the post stands for the flags. I guess. Here we go. Oh my God. So should be able to get on there. We should be fine. So, all right, let's load it up.
How you do it.
right stuff. I like that. Well prepared. Thank God you can remove the bumper.
Maybe not all, but some.
I didn't like the purple at first when it grew on me. I don't know why. At least it's not a quarter-mile race. Lowered car problems. Oh, that's good. That's good. Well, jeez. Right there. Going up. Nice. That's how you know he's about his money, because people that want to work and make money bring the right shit to do the
Oh,
job.
for real. Not those other dudes that got here.
Woo, there we go. Done and safe. Now let's see. Hopefully I was talking to this lady there saying that it's hard to find that tire.
That was my main concern, is that since it's
If anything, I'm gonna have to go to San Jose to go get that tire. So, I'm sorry, I'm sweating. Cars in the garage. There's like literally no room because we have this whole section of the other apartment. But yeah, so cars in the garage. It's in here. The inside of the wheel the barrel's pretty eaten up. I just had to go get my other tools from the Civic. Just using this little car jack on the jack point. And then they got the old school jack stand holding up on the bash bar, where I'll be removing this wheel, have it put on again, and then get the line done. So they rushed my dad to the hospital. The cancer is spreading, so they're doing leukemia tests right now, and it's not looking good. So I'm gonna end the video here, and I'll just see you guys next time.